Riga, mahal, bebe, baby, bebu, baby loves, and today, my wife. I'm standing here before you in this wonderful event today, or a wonderful reception today, not just because of love or this wedding, but because of the friendship, loyalty, trust, and growth.
My dearest Jarel, I loved you for 9 years. Today, I officially claim all the rest of them. I cannot wait for a lifetime of those little moments with you doing everything and nothing together. The world has granted me the chance to love and be loved by you.
I promised before and still now that I'll always love you, cherish you, treasure you, and always laugh at you in good times and support you in challenging ones.
Rica, Jorel, hindi lang kayo ikakasal. Besides getting married, meron kayong gagawin. Simula ngayon, bigyan nyo ang bawat isa araw-araw ng good memories. Jorel, bakit araw-araw? Rica, bakit magandang alaala? Ang dahilan, tatanda at lilipas din kayo. At pagtanda ninyo, marami magpapaalam sa inyong buhay.
From the first moment we met, I know my life will never be the same again. And I stand here now, I know I am exactly where I'm supposed to be. Rica, I love you and always love you forever and ever.
For me, it has always been you. You as my biggest supporter, you as my partner, and you as my friend.
I always remember the first time that I saw you in one of our classes in college. When your ear is showing through your hair and thinking it was cute. Never would I thought that this random event is the start of this beautiful relationship.
I just know I can feel the wind and it carries me underneath my wings so I can soar.
Pain, totoo yan. Pero kaya meron pain, hindi para halikan natin ang pain. Hindi para masaktan lang tayo. Tears, pain, and sacrifice, kaya meron kayo niyan. Yan ang ginagamit ni Lord to help us learn and grow. Kaya huwag kayong makalimot, magdasal araw-araw habang buhay.
I've been chasing each sunset until a new morning rises. 'Cause we fly above the weather. Our heartbeats go home together. You can't stop me, here I go. Like tidal waves and flakes of snow. The signs of life that give us hope. I'm a wanderer.
I promise that one day, when we have our children of our own, they will never have to doubt what love looks like. Every day, you and I will be an example of teamwork, trust, and honesty. Our love will always shine as brightly as it does today. Together, we create a balance that neither of us could achieve alone. In this life and every other, I love you.
Mr. and Mrs. Jorel Enrica Marie Mariano. Congratulations and God bless you. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Mabuhay ang